Hello my friends, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to the fam. My name is Ina Pandora and I am a makeup artist here on YouTube and in real life. Now today I wanted to try to laminate my brows. I have never done that before, but I've seen other people doing it and it looks so pretty. After some research, I went on Amazon and bought myself, basically it's a lash lift, but it's the same kit that you can use it on your brows. We're not gonna do a lash lift yet. I am testing right now a lash serum. I got on Amazon in October, so I'll probably use it for a couple more weeks, and I am eager to share my results with you. Now, to put it to the test and see how well it works, we're gonna do one brow at a time. I really want to see what would be the difference and what is all the fuss about. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So this is the one that I personally got, and then you get all these little tools and everything that you need. The instruction comes in 5 languages, you guys. Use the cleanser to clean off the oil, dust, and makeup residue. Okay, so we do have the cleanser right here. The cleanser is number 4. They're definitely very small bottles, but they should be good for probably a couple more uses. So we are just going to clean the area very well. If you see a red skin, that's normal because my skin kinda is red most of the time. Make sure that the area is clean because I believe that might be really important. The next is use the glue setting. So we need to get the glue on. One is the big one here. I'm gonna use the glue and I'm gonna brush it with, because the applicator is like it's like a little liner. Applicators like that. You can buy them in bulk on Amazon. They're pretty affordable. I want to glue them up. Make sure that they are going into the right direction. All right, so there are some tools in here, so we're gonna use the tools to kind of secure the brows up. I don't know if that's gonna work, but there we go. Oh yeah, that works. All right, so the next is use the number 1 perm lotion. It's this one, guys. It does say like on the bottles, it's really easy to navigate because on the bottles you can see the number. Like, see, this is number 1 perm, and then you have all the instructions here. Add the perm lotion, generously coat our brows. What are you coated with? Do you have like an applicator? Because there's no applicator for that. So since we don't have any, like, the bottle is coming like this way, so there's no applicator to apply this on silicone. Like, see this silicone brush? I'm gonna use that to apply the perm. We are going to coat it very well, generously coat it. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't think we need more than this. All right, so then we need to put a plastic film. So I got plastic film, just gonna cover it like that. All right, so we need to cover it for about 8 to 12 minutes. I look crazy. Hey Siri, set the timer for 12 minutes. Next is fixation. Do we need to clean this, or we just top it on top of the perm? I guess you gotta put it on top. It doesn't say if you have to clean. Say if you have to clean, so I assume we're gonna apply this one on top. Okay, so we are gonna apply this. I'm just gonna apply it on top, assuming that's what you gotta do. It doesn't say to clean it, so hopefully I'm not gonna end up without brows. I mean, the worst case. Ooh, look, they're already very flexible. And we are going to keep it for another 12 minutes. I just used a little Q-tip, so don't really stress about it. They don't come with the applicators or anything, but definitely a Q-tip will do the job. So we're just gonna do that. I look like a pirate right now. All right, the time is up. We're gonna take this off. Gonna clean it really, really well. They're definitely very flexible. Like, take a look. I can move it into any direction that I want. That's cool. Once you're done with the step 1 and 2, there is the number 3 step, to which is this one, to which I believe it kind of nourishes. Lashes, again, they're all sealed up. I love that. So you'll make sure that you can put it back so it's not gonna leak or anything, you know. Gonna use a Q-tip. Like, what a difference between this side and this side. I'll show you in a second. So we're gonna nourish it a little bit. Let me kind of, like, take a look, guys. They look kind of crazy, but what a difference between this one. Like, I can't do this on this side. Do you see what I mean? I can do that, but then here, let's nourish first. We're gonna use the number 3, and we're gonna nourish it a little bit. But that is so cool, because then I can turn my brows in any direction that I want. Now, if you see any redness, my skin normally has that, so it's not irritation or anything from the products. It didn't bother me at all. As you can see, it didn't give me any hives or anything, so that's good because I'm normally super sensitive. It definitely works, you guys. Take a look, right? That is so cool. All right, guys, and this is the final result. Like, what a difference. I love it. Honestly, I never had it before, so it looks so nice. I can control which way it goes. Like, look at this. Wow. And this is how it looks like after I fill them in a little bit, but overall I am like, wow, my brows never looked this good ever. I honestly am super, super happy. Definitely it works. So if you're looking for something to do at home, like laminating your brows, I'm definitely recommending this one. I got the set off Amazon and I believe it was super affordable. So I'll make sure to link it down below if you want to get yourself one. Plus, this one will make a really good Christmas present or birthday present and so on. But even like for yourself, if you like to do that at home, why not? Plus it will save you the trip to the salon with COVID and everything. I love to do things at my own convenience and at my own time. And this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one.